Oblique triangle. Oblique triangle is a triangle that has no right angle. Triangle angle sum theorem. The sum of the three interior angle in a triangle is always 180 degree. To solve an oblique triangle, we must know the measure of one side and any two other measures. Thus, any triangle problem may fall under any one of the following cases. The four cases in solving of oblique. Case 1. Given one side and two angles or side angle angle. Case 2. Given two side and an angle opposite one of them or side angle. Case 3. Given two side and the included angle or side angle side. Given 4. Given the three side or side. The law of sines. A over sine angle A over equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Here, A, B, and C are angles of any triangle, and A, B, and C, the small letter A and B and C, are respectively the measure of the side opposite these angles. The law of cosine. C2 equals A2 plus B2 minus 2AB cos angle C. Another example. Another formula. B2 equals A2 plus C2 minus 2AC cos B. 2A2 equals B2 plus C2 minus 2BC cos A. Here, the big letter A, B, and C are angles of any triangle. And the small letter A, B, C are respectively the measure of the side opposite this angle. Case 1. Side angle angle. Let A, B, and C be given. To find A, use A equals 180 degree minus B plus C. To find B, use A over sine A equals B over sine B, or B equals A sine angle B over sine A. To find C, use A equals C, or use A over angle sine A equals C over sine C, or C equals A sine C over sine angle A. Here the example number 1. Solve A, B, and C given. The given is C equals, side C is equals to 15, angle A is equal to 35 degree, angle B is equal to 70 degree. Here is the solution. To find C, use angle C equals an 80 degree minus A plus B equals, so the measure of the angle C is, the measure of whole the right triangle is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus the measure of angle A is 35 degree plus the measure of angle B is 70 degree. So 35 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 100 degree. So 180 degree minus 105 degree is equal to 75. So the measure of the angle C is 75 degree. To find A, side A, use A over sine angle A equals C over sine angle C. A equals C sine angle A over sine C equals, so the value of A is equal 15, then sine, copy the sine, and the value of angle A is equal 35 degree. So sine, so the value of sine C is equal to 75 degree. So sine 15 sine 35 degree divide sine 75 degree, and the answer is 8.91. To find B, use B over sine angle B equals C over sine angle C. B is equal to C sine angle B over sine angle C. So equals 15. So the measure of side C is 15 sine plus the measure of angle B is 70 degree, and and divide sine the measure of C is 75 degree. So 15 sine 70 degree divide sine 75 degree. The answer is 14.59 degree. Case 2. Side-side angle. Let A B and angle A be given to determine the number of solution used. Sine law equals A over sine angle A over B, B over sine B, or sine B equals to B sine A over A. Example 2. Solve A XYZ given A is equal to 12.5 and B is equal to 5.8 and angle A is equal to A equals to 25 degree. Solution. From A over sine A equals B over sine C, sine A equals A sine B over B equals 12.5. So the value of side A is equal to 12.5 and the value of angle B is 25 degree. So divide to the value of the side B, the 5.8. So the answer is 0.91 or less than or greater than to 1. Thus the values of A and A assign inverse 12.5 sine 25 degree over 5.8 equals 65 degree 37 minutes and 5.7 seconds. And A equals 180 degree minus A equals 114 degree 22 minutes and 54 seconds. First solution. To find C, use C equals 180 degree minus A plus A. 180 degree minus 65 degree point 37 minutes and 6 seconds plus 25 degree. To find C, use B over sine B equals C over sine C. C equals to B sine C over sine B, 5.8 sine 89 degree, 22 minutes and 54 seconds. Divide sine 25 degree and the answer is 13.72. Second solution. To find C, use angle C equals 180 degree minus A plus A equals 180 degree minus 144 degree times 144 degree 22 minutes and 54 seconds plus 25. So the answer is 40 degree 37 minutes 65 seconds 65.7 seconds. To find C, side C, use B over sine B equals sine over sine C. So sine equals B sine C over sine C. So 5.8 is the value of B sine 4. The value of angle C is 40 degree 37 minutes and 5.7 seconds. Divide sine 25 degree. Case number 3. Side angle side. Let A, B, and C be given to find C. Use the cosine law. Say 2 equals A2 plus B2 minus 2AB cos 3. To find A, use A2 minus B2 plus C22BC cos A. Cos A equals B2 plus B squared plus C squared minus E squared. Divide 2BC. A equals cos inverse times B squared plus C squared minus E squared over 2BC. To find A, use B squared plus E minus equals E squared plus C squared minus 2ac cos b. Cos A equals A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2ac. A equals cos inverse A squared plus C squared minus B squared equals 2ac. Example 3. Donna and Sarah bike from the same point of the same time. Donna bikes due north for a distance of 750 meters while Sarah bikes 520 meters. At a heading of north 62 degree east, how far about are the two girls? Let A be to the distance of the two girls. To find A, use the cosine law. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So the solution is A equals to the square root of B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So this is the value of B squared 750 squared plus 520 squared minus 2 times 750 times 520 cos 62 degree is equal to 683.16. The approximately is 683 meters apart. Case number 4. Side, side, side. Let A, B, and C be given to find a use A squared minus B squared plus C squared 2BC minus 2BC cos A. There the solution. Cos A equals times B squared plus C squared minus E squared divide 2BC. A equals to cos inverse times B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. To find B, use B squared equals E squared plus C squared minus 2A cos B. Cos B equals A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. B equals cos minus 1. Cos inverse, rather, equals A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. To find C, use C squared plus mine equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos B. Cos B equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. C equals cos inverse A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Example number 4. Solve ABC given A equals to 15, B is equal to 17, and C is equal to 19. Here the solution. To find angle A, use A squared A2 equals B2 plus C2 minus 2BC cos A. Cos angle A equals 17 squared plus 19 squared minus 15 squared over 2 times 17 times 19. A cos inverse equals 17 squared plus 19 squared minus 15 over 2 times 17 times 19 is equal to 48 degree, 51 minutes, and 38 seconds. To find B, angle B, use B squared plus E squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. Cos angle B is equal to 15 squared plus 19 squared minus 17 squared over 2 times 15 times 19. B equals to cos inverse 15 squared plus 19 squared equal minus 17 squared over 2 times 15 times 19. The answer is 58 degree, 35 minutes, and 50 seconds. To find C, use C squared over E squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. Cos C equals 15 squared plus 17 squared minus 19 squared over 2 times 15 times 17. C cos inverse equals to 15 squared plus 17 squared minus 19 squared over 2 times 15 times 17 is equal to 72 degree, 32 minutes, and 33 seconds.